Hey everyone, I'm Piers Sinclair, and I'm going to take you through how to update the skills on your people profile and relate those back to consulting services. So you can see here that I have a lot of nice skills on my profile, and I know that those are all stored in Dynamics 365 CRM. Now, I've also got a bunch of consulting services on our website here, and those are things like Angular, React, web apps, Blazor, etc. And those are also stored in Dynamics 365 CRM. Now, what if I want to figure out which skills relate to which consulting service and update my people profile accordingly? Well, I need a way to do that. And the way we do that is with this report. Now, when you come into this report, you can see that we've got the consulting services on the left, and we've got all of the skills in the middle, and then all the people that have those skills. So the first thing that you would do is open up the employee and filter down to the person you want to look at. So say myself. And that will give you a view of what skills they have. You can see that 2 ticks means that you're advanced in that consulting service, 1 tick means intermediate, and the fist means you're keen to learn. And it's similar for the skills as well. Now, you might go, okay, what do I want to look at the Azure consulting service to figure out the skills in that. So you'd click on that. And that would give you a view of all of the skills for Azure. And then you could look at that and go, okay, well, I know that I want to look at Azure OpenAI service, but I can't see that in the list here. So you would click on the link to open up the record in Dynamics 365, and that would take you to this page here. From there, you would then add in the Azure OpenAI service by clicking New Skill, and you'd search for it in here. And I can see there it doesn't exist. So what I want to do is click on New Skill. Type it in there. And then I'll be able to simply add this straight into that consulting service. Okay, we can ignore that. It's just found other Azure things. And click Save and Close here. And there we go, it's added into the consulting service. And then what you would need to do is update your report. So if we jump into that, we'd click on this 3 dots, we'd go View Dataset, and that would open up this page where we can then click Refresh on the report. And hit refresh now, and that will refresh your report. Now, generally, that refresh will take you roughly 4 minutes. If we have a look at the refresh history, we can see that it takes about 4 minutes each time. And then once that's refreshed, we'd then go back to our report and we'd go back to filtering to Azure and Piers. And I would go in there and I'd review these and I'd go, okay, well, I know I can do container apps, so I want to add that to my profile. So I'd click this link to open it in CRM. That would take me to this screen, and then I would go to Employees, and I would go New Skill, and I go, okay, I'm looking for Piers. That would search for me. I'd select myself, and then I would select the skill level, let's say intermediate, and I'd hit Save and Close, and that would update my profile. Then I'd go back and do the refresh, and I would then see that that updates my people profile after the rolling build runs for SSW people, which happens every 15 minutes or so. And then I would have Azure Container Apps on my profile here, and it would be related to the Azure Consulting Service. So that is how you update your SSW people profile using the Consulting Service Skills Report. I'm Piers Sinclair. Thanks for watching.